Hello everybody. Okay, we're going to create a password program here. So I'm going to create a subroutine called enter password. Okay, so this is the subroutine enter password. Okay, so we're going to create the scalar variable. So my password and it's going to be equal to something like 123 QWE, like that, something very hard. I don't think so. That's the password there. So we're going to now print something that the reader can read, some information. So enter password. Enter password and the new line character there. Okay, so my scalar pass is going to be equal to standard input. So the user standard input. So STDIN standard input there. So that's where the user will type the password in. They have chomp on the bottom line here, scalar pass. Okay, now we're coming to the conditional. So if scalar pass is equal to scalar password, we're going to do something. So if the entry, which is the scalar pass here, is equal to the password, we're simply going to print the user a message called access granted. New line character there. So if they get the password right, they get to come in. Or if they don't, else. Let's have a look. So else. We're going to do something else. And what shall we do? I'll just pop that back there. So I'm going to create a new subroutine now called message. Okay, so we're going to go to another subroutine. And I'll just create it underneath. That's going to be called sub message. And we shall print the user a message. So print simply access denied. There you go, and new line. But we're not only going to do that, we're going to print access denied, and we're going to times that by 20. So we're going to print it 20 times. So the user gets the message. Right. Okay, now underneath it, before we can run this program, because it's subroutine, we have to call it. Let me just neaten that up a little bit there. Let's just take that up there. So we're going to have to call it. So I'm going to call it by enter message. So we're going to call it like that, enter message. I'll just drop that down a little bit. So let's just save it first, and now let's run the program. So let's have a look. We seem to have a little problem here, so let's just sort this out. Okay, yeah, I just made a little bit of an error here calling that. It should be enter password. Okay, so let's just save that and run it again, shall we? Okay, so there you go. So I'm going to type in the real password, which is 123QWE. So 123QWE, and there we go, access granted. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in the wrong password. So if password is equal to password, print access granted, which we've just seen there, else go to the next subroutine here, which is the message box, which should print access denied. So let's just type in any old codswallop. There you go, access denied, and it printed it off for me 20 times. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.